All right. Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday, November 19th. It is 7:58 a.m. here in Kentucky. Back home on the East Coast, it is 8:58 a.m. All right. We got a little pullback this week for the dollar, a strong pullback, but like I've always told you, the US dollar is one of the largest traded currencies in the world. So you're going to have large moves like this, but if you are long the dollar like I am, just hold on, ride the wave, you'll be fine. This is just a temporary pullback. From my personal analysis, this is just a temporary pullback. So if you're in long on the dollar, just don't worry, sit back and just ride the wave. If you're like me, I've bought more dollars, especially against the yen. So because the yen is still on a weakening path. Right now, it's getting strong, but don't let that fool you. Don't be a sucker. It's still got a ways to go. It's still going to get weaker. But we're going to go ahead and get started here. All right. Let's see. Let me pull this up. All right. First one on the list is the Great British Pound CAD. The British Pound has been getting weak as of late. So right now, as you can see, this is a nice trend forming here. This has just begun. So you can this is a great trade to consider. This is the Great British Pound CAD. And the reason why is, as you see, the lagging span is starting to go into the cloud. Price action's already broken through the cloud and it's starting to drop. The mean, and this by drop I mean the is taking fewer Canadian dollars to buy a Great British Pound. So um, the Canadian dollar is getting stronger against the pound. And as you can see right here, this conversion line is starting to dip. It's pointing downward. I call this the start of a snake fang. That's what I like to call this. The start of a It's a snake fang, basically. So as you can see, the baseline is starting to bend down. It's just touched the outside of that cloud, but you see here how this downward cloud is starting to form. We got this red downward cloud forming. So this is the start of a nice trade here. So this is really something you would like to consider here because the pound is getting weaker across the board, but particularly against the Canadian dollar here. So this trade is looking fantastic. So again, that is the Great British Pound CAD short the British pound. All right, next we have the Euro Swiss franc. Europe's getting weak in general, but you see here the Swiss franc is you can see the solid drop, this solid downward bar, and it's broken all previous levels. So you see all these are fractals, these are levels, these are lowest points within 3 periods, within 3 days. And as you can see here, it's steady, it's dropped, it's broken them all. So, and you see the conversion line and baseline. You see how they're kissing? We call this a Ichimoku kiss. Some people call it the Ichimoku kiss, but you see that kiss there in that red bar and this red cloud? That's the start of a beautiful trade. So the euro is getting weak against the Swiss franc. So this is a great trade here. This is looking good. This is the time when I wish I had lots of money so I can just trade all these beautiful pairs, all these beautiful trends going. But I am heavy on the dollar right now, so I have a lot on the dollar because from my analysis, the dollar is going to get a lot stronger here. So, but these are some beautiful trades for you to consider, folks. This is a heck of an opportunity. This quarter took off and it hasn't stopped. Let me see. This is October, November, December. So yeah, back in October, this started kicking off, and it's just been kicking butt ever since. So this is a great quarter to get in. Just always remember proper risk management, psychology management, and you'll be fine. All right. Next is the Great British Pound Dollar. Like I said, this is getting weak, and this is one of the pairs I'm in. I'm in this pretty heavy, but as you can, I'll show you why. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot the almighty lagging span. Let's go back here. Lagging spans just broke the price action. This is just starting. Like I said, this trend is just starting. You see how that lagging span has just broken the price action in a downward trend. This is all down, folks. So good trade to consider. All right, back. Great British Pound US dollar. Great British Pound US dollar. As you can see here, the US dollar is getting stronger against the pound. So this is a great trade to consider as well. Like I said, this is one of the pairs I'm in. And you can see this nice big downward cloud right here. So this is a great trade to consider. It is really on a roll here. You got to excuse me. I'm going to make a call real quick while we're here. But this is really a trade to consider. All right. Next, we have the Great British Pound Kiwi. Great British Pound Kiwi is on a roll here. As you can see, the Kiwi is getting stronger against the pound as well. It's really on a downward trend. So don't let this, don't be turned off because of the slow movement of this. This is a nice, steady, stable trade, and it is going to continue to go downward. It is steadily dropping. So this is a trade you want to consider as well. Yes, the lagging span is just touching the price action, but more than likely it's going to break through. So if you want to wait until that lagging span breaks through everything, that's fine as well. But price action dictates all. And as you can see here, the price action is steadily dropping. So you can at least trade this until it gets right in here in between this upward and downward cloud. Great trade to consider. And last but not least, the Zulu Rand, ZAR Rand, South African Rand against the yen. As you can see here, the yen is getting stronger right now, and it's going to continue. The yen is getting stronger against the ZAR Rand, so slightly stronger. It's on a range right now. So if you want to wait a little bit more until the price action crosses this baseline and conversion line, when you start to see stuff going upward, then you might want to consider this trade. But that's it for now. Remember, proper risk management, proper psychology management, no courses. Just take advantage of the free stuff. Always learn, and there's always stuff we can learn about the markets, especially ourselves. Learn more about yourself. So that's it for now, and I will see you next time. Good luck, and I hope you have a very profitable rest of the week. Take care.